So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to I am going to show you the most effective technique or some unique technique to create grains. Okay, so like this. So let's start our video, and before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Mera Baba Bajrangbali. Now, so using Maj node also you guys can create grains. Like what is the operation or what will be the process? For example, like first of all, let me do what? Let me take one pen node just for example. Let me give this one frame only, and just let me take a clone tool. Okay, and let me fix the brushes, and let me paint all the things, right? I'm painting for once roughly. Okay, okay, so let me fix this. So I have this paint. Okay, now let me be bad. Now just frame all this for safety purpose. Okay, now I have this. Okay, so like if you have some work, and now you have to do the first of all, first you have to denoise this footage, right? So I have to denoise this footage first of all. So let me denoise this. Okay, and just keep the value. Now for example, you have denoised the footage, you have done some paint work, and you have just need to render, and before render you have to put grains. Now what is the effective way to put a grain, or the unique way to put a grain? Just copy your denoise node, and if you guys just render a denoise render separately, then take your original plate and the denoise plate also. So I'm taking this for now. Now the best way to do this, for example, just take here one merge node and give this a pipe to your denoise and give this b pipe to your footage, and after this just give it to from. So it's a effective technique. Now if you want to see the magic, just increase your this. Now see, this is our actual grains. Okay, but remember one thing, if you just swap this, it will not, might not be work. So obviously keep this a pipe to denoise and b pipe to your this. See, it will be subtracting from you. Okay, right? Now after this, just take another merge node, give this a pipe to here and b pipe to this. Now give this plus. That's the thing. So basically the motive is for what is this purpose, right? So if you have used any other node like task node like these 10 nodes, so basically doing what, it basically comparing one like this. I mean, it taking this original plate and subtracting, and also taking this denoise plate, and then what it does is subtracting from the plate, right? So basically it take this denoise and take this original, so originally subtracting from the denoise, right? So what is the difference between this? Only grains left, right? So that's the thing, because the rest of the things are same, right? My this footage original plate and just denoise plate also same, just in this there is grain and in this there is no grains, right? That's the thing. So it taking it minusing the original footage is minusing from the denoise plate. That's the thing. So I'm getting these grains, and if I plus this, now how to check the grain is fine or not? Just view this output and just view the original output. Just lace you this, and let's see. For example, see, 1 2 I've done. But if I see view my com before grains, now see there will be a less amount of grains will be there. Like if I do some, or if I view some rate channel also, and if I view this, now it's not visible. So let me do what, let me go to visit my grain and let me check this. So no, not much grain is visible in that case. Okay, okay, so let me do what, just let me increase this for now, and this is my previous and this is my now. So just check carefully. So see, there is some getting issue, right? Now see, so I'm just view this one and view this two. So there is grain, now there is less grain, right? So already I need to just play with this, so I need to sample it properly. So maybe I can sample this here. So properly sample the grains, what I will do will not work, right? Now see, it's work more fun, right? Now with this grain and without grain, same if I just view my com without grain and with grain. Now if I add the grain here, now see, this is my grain output and this is my plate, both are same, right? But see one thing, if I view this area, you guys can see some artifacts, right? See, some artifacts is coming. If I go to red channel or maybe blue channel, see some artifacts coming. Maybe if I just view this normal way, okay, and if I just 1 and 2, if you guys see carefully, there is some artifacts coming. So I can't able to see. If I just view this red channel or maybe green channel or maybe blue channel, see some artifacts is coming, right? See the artifacts, right? So that's the thing. Okay, see these artifacts, right? Now I hope you guys can able to see. How do they solve this, right? Because the grain is perfectly matched, like 1 and 2, see, all the grains match properly. The solve is that, okay, another thing, just properly maintain your denoise, because if I change this one, then I have to proper this. Okay, grain, I do need to fix this grain also. Now see, like, all thing is matched, but except now see, there is a artifact, right? Clean artifact is showing. So how to solve this? In this case, I will guys prefer you to first of all add this grain, but don't add this way. So let me do what, if I view my output and let me check there is alpha or not. There is no alpha, right? So let's take a merge node and give this a pipe here and give this your original denoise. Just give the a pipe before grains the last node and give this p pipe to your original denoise plate and just give this difference. Now see, I'm getting some this issue, right? But there is no alpha. See, there is no alpha, right? There is no alpha, right? After doing differences, there is no alpha is showing. So what is the way? So there is another node called difference. Take the difference node and give this a pipe here and give this b pipe here. Now see, there is alpha. Just give this 1 1 1, something like this. I have this alpha. Let me add some more. Okay, I have this. Now do what? Take a key mix here and give this a pipe to this grain. Okay, or just this is plus, right? So I'm getting this plus, right? So do what? Don't need to add some key mix. Just give this plus. Just take the key mix down here and give, take a invert node, and after inverting this alpha, right? Just invert the alpha for once. I have this alpha. See, like, just give this plus to this mask to this, invert it, and for this. But what it does, it will add the grains in whole area except only the marker point, I mean the alpha area. See, there is no grains. If I just place in this particular area, there is no grains, right? See, everything was grain, but there is no grain. So how to add this? Just take a key mix node, and in this case you have to take another node called f regrain. Okay, f regain. If you are guys using dash grain, it will be fine for all the work, but in this case, if you're using like this, then you have to do the thing. Take the f regain node and just take it here. Just give the source and give this grain to footage. Take a frame mold here. Okay, and take this anchor point in your appropriate grains area like this. If I want to switch like this here, and just take the key mix node, a pipe to this, b pipe to this, and now give this mask to original difference. Now view this and analyze this option. Now there will be grain, but if you guys 1 and 2, the grain pattern will not match, but there will be grains, right? This, see, the grains is there, but the pattern is not matching fully. See, don't worry, this is a painting issue, nothing else. But see, there is a grains, right? There is grains, but the pattern is not matching. So that's the issue, and you guys can increase this grain also here. Grain is adding, but the pattern is not matching. So in paint guys, or in comp also, we guys do like this only, because we add every grains properly, but in some cases we need to, some areas we need to add some patterns, I mean non-pattern grains, I mean I just sampling from other area of footage, right? So this is a effective way to add grains. If you guys using dash grain also, same thing is happening. Who, those guys who are using dash grain know how to solve this, but the same issue is coming. Okay, some area, in some alpha area, just we need to add some sampling grains, right? This, so it's a comping technique also. It's a paint pip technique to add effective way to grains. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys find this video very useful, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others. Thank you. Before ending this video, as I said to everyone, jai Sri Ram, jai Mera, Bajrangbali.